I'm so excited. It's finally my driving test. I cannot believe it. What's your name, instructor? Joseph? Okay, this is not normal. Okay? It just takes a while to start. Okay, where do you need to go? Okay. That wasn't a fail, right? No? We keep going? Sorry. That wasn't a fail either, right? Okay. Turn here. Okay. I think I'm doing okay. Okay, I have to stop. Nobody's coming. Okay, so turn left here. That car just only took me. That's a be illegal. Okay. The speed limit here? I'm not sure. Joseph, it's 55. So there's nobody in front of me. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong lane. So sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm going the speed limit. Well, I'm going below the speed limit actually. Turn here. Yes, I saw the pedestrians. I think it's going great. I think I cannot fail it. What do you mean turn around? Fine. This is like, I think I passed then. You told me to turn around and that's what I did. No. Please no. Not on my driving test. What's going on? I don't know, Joseph. I don't know what's going on. I didn't know this car had this kind of issues. Okay. Yes, I know I just cut off that car. I'm so sorry. It's smoking. Is that a good sign? I think it's... Please, come on. Okay. Come on. So sorry. I don't know what's going on. What? To call it ultra? Okay. But stupid car. I failed the test because of you. Oh, now it's not starting. Great. I think I flooded the battery or something. I can't believe it. Yep. Another fail.